Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on an Audi TT MK2. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, extensions, and a coil puller. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and ensure proper component handling. Next, locate the 4 ignition coils on top of the engine. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning any electrical work. Now, carefully remove the engine cover to expose the ignition coils. Each coil has an electrical connector. Gently press the release tab and pull to disconnect it. If they are stiff, a small flathead screwdriver can help, but be very gentle. Use a specialized coil puller tool to remove each ignition coil by pulling straight up. Inspect each coil for cracks or discoloration, which could indicate a need for replacement. With the coils removed, you can now access the spark plugs. Use a 16mm spark plug socket with an extension to loosen and remove each old spark plug. Carefully pull them out and inspect their condition, as this can tell you about your engine's health. Before installing new plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. Hand tighten each new spark plug, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to between 25 and 30 Newton meters. Once all new spark plugs are in place, firmly push each ignition coil back into its well until it clicks. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the coils, ensuring they are secure. Replace the engine cover, making sure it's properly seated and clipped. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Start the engine and listen for any unusual noises or misfires. A test drive will confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.